Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable Draw M gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click settings on your Realme 5 mobile phone, and okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, click gesture in motion. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gestures. And okay, all you have to do is click this. And now you can see the screen of gesture switch button. And okay, all you have to do is enable this. And now you can see below the add gestures. Okay, you'll have to just click this. And now here you can see the draw M gestures. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable draw M gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click call. And okay guys, now you can select the contact you want to call if the draw M gesture is enabled. And okay guys, for my example, I choose one of my contact and automatically save to draw M gestures. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the draw M gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, I turn off the screen of my Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, now I draw M on screen. And okay guys, after that, the pop-up below are show, and now you can select the SIM you want to use to call to your contact. Okay, I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, now we have successfully enabled the draw M gesture to make a call in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.